My name is Jonathan Karesh. I'm a San Mateo County judge in criminal and civil, presiding over trials, and I'm gay. I've been a judge for over 10 years. There were signs that I was gay in my early teens, and I fought them off for a long time because I was picked on in school because I was not very masculine. I was very uncoordinated at sports, not athletic at all, but I found an outlet in speech and debate because I knew I could speak, something I learned from my dad. And so I went out through my entire 20s trying to date women very unsuccessfully until I ultimately realized in my 30s who I was and started to come out to people. Started coming out to friends and family first, and then about 5 years ago I came out at work because I was really tired of putting a wall between my personal life and my own, my work life. And I found by coming out, everybody has been very supportive of me. I think there was just one friend that I lost when I came out early, but he wasn't really somebody I was too sad to leave anyway. And the way I came out at work was, in my job, there's a pretty large grapevine. Things get around pretty quickly. So a colleague of mine who's a lesbian, she said, just send an email around to a few people and talk to a few people and it'll get around. And it did, and within days I was flooded with emails and phone calls of people saying, that's great, we love you, congratulations, we're so happy for you. And the result was just uniformly positive. When I was in grade school and junior high, I was different from a lot of the other kids because I was smaller, I was not athletic, I was not very masculine, and so as a result there were kids in the schoolyard that regularly picked on me. And it definitely hurt, but what I did to fix it is I found something I was good at, which was speech and debate, and then I wound up competing in high school in tournaments all over the state of California, found out I did really good in it, and ultimately I went to law school and a successful practice as a trial attorney in the district attorney's office, and that led to being a judge. When I was in my 20s, I tried to become straight, or at least I hoped I was or thought I was, so I had a number of very unsuccessful relationships with women. And finally, when I was in my 30s, the feelings were just too strong to ignore, and so I started dating men, had my first boyfriend for about 5 years, and it's been going pretty good ever since as far as relationships. What I learned was to be honest with yourself, to find something you're good at, work hard, find lots of nice people, and believe me, it does, it gets better.